Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Guys, today I'm going to come to you with this New Year's tutorial, and this will be my first upload for 2019. This look will be a really simple cut crease with some glitter liner added. To create this look, I will be using the Morphe 3502 palette. First, I will be going in with that orange shade and add it into the crease. Then blend out the arch edges using a brown shade. I will then go in and add some black to deepen the crease and also blend it out. To cut my crease, I'll be using the C469 Crown Precision Concealer Brush. Then I'll go in with some gold shimmer. The gold shimmer shade from the palette and add it onto the clean canvas, then fade out the arch ends. I will then go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black and use that to create a wing and add some glitter liner. This is my niece, you all. She's here chilling with me. Hi, Lilly. I then add my Lilly lashes in the style Miami. For face, I use the CoverGirl Trublend foundation in the shade D15. Then I went in with the Lagirl Pro Conceal to highlight my face, and I used that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, my chin, and also my cupid's bow. I went in with the black Radiance banana powder, and I used that to set my highlighted areas, and then going with the pressed powder in Mahogany to contour. I went ahead and used a setting spray to set everything in place, and then add my Shayla times Colourpop highlighter in the shade Boomin to highlight my face. I then went in with a brown lip pencil and used that to carve out my lips, and then going with my NYX liquid lingerie in the shade Corset and add that on my lips. So that completes my entire look.